The most powerful form is when someone succeeds without using the old blueprint. And then quietly tell people say, me I go make it, but me I make it my way. Me I do it my way. Me now follow the nice. Me I go shift the culture. That is influence. When an artist achieve influence by shifting the culture, do you not have to be performative? You not have to fit into a stereotype to make it? That kind of influence is stronger than...
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
What go on? I don't know the thing set, you know. Yeah, man. So we have a little video. That lady I say a bag of thing, you see me? But you know how Media Fox go to work. You know, I love correct the narrative than it just put out there and people just run with it and believe it. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you have to correct certain things so people not get fooled. You see me? And get misled. You see it? But more than taking a video, people. You see me?
And I look on it like them only are things from a surface level, because people only recognize influence when they can see it. If nobody now follow your slang.
People she are talking and I want to know tell me a which artist this them a talk about. She a talk about is I want to tell me which artist. Just listen what she a say and match the energy of the artist or how the artist move.
If nobody now follow your style, your tattoo, if nobody now look like you or don't like you, they're saying that you're not influential, especially as an artist. But to me, that logic is kind of lazy and, you know, kind of surface level type of thing. So it's like most people were trained to only spot influence if it is in the form of imitation. And imitation is easy to spot it. So the brain now makes a shortcut to say that if nobody's copying you, you don't really matter in a dancehall. But that's surface level thinking, you know, and there's 3 levels of influence. And imitation is the first level. This influence is real, but it's not the only kind of influence. The second level is structural influence, where people mainly kind of miss this form of influence. And this influence is when someone changes how success is achieved in a certain field or industry. So they not change them face to look like the other person. What they do is they change the rules of how to succeed in that industry. And this is where another type of artist live. I don't want to call a name because I don't want to listen to compare. I just had a thought. So some artists prove that you don't need chaos, controversy, or none of them something to stay relevant. You don't need to mimic the artists where they're at the top for win or for breakthrough. When you have structural influence.
Who no think she attack people? Tell me in the comments, you know. Yeah, man, tell me.
People may not copy your look, but they will copy your method. Because I look on it and say, maybe I can use my talent, hard work, discipline, craft, precision, consistency, and make it in this industry. Maybe I don't need to follow the man at the top, what the man is doing to make it. Nicki Minaj has been the only female rapper in the industry for years. And then Cardi B came and Cardi B kind of start even up with that. And then you see these other little rap artists, they might come up now and it's like they will say, Nicki Minaj is my idol, Nicki Minaj is my icon. She's the one who made me want to rap. But Cardi B is who made me know I could make it in this industry. Because Cardi B come now, and she never do what Nicki Minaj do. She come, she use consistency, craft, precision. She never really use a gimmick like that. You know, she just come and do her thing, be herself. And people say, maybe I could be myself as well and make it in this industry. Let me try that. And him try it. And then you have level 3, which is permission-based influence. And these are the deepest and strongest form. The most powerful form is when someone succeeds without using the old blueprint. And then quietly tell people say, I'm going to make it, but I make it my way. I do it my way. But now,
people, which artist that sound like? You understand? Which artist do it for them way? Boss without no artist strength and all of them look thing there. Which artist?
follow the nice. Now we shift the culture. That is influence. When an artist achieve influence by shifting the culture, do you not have to be performative? You don't have to fit into a stereotype to make it? That kind of influence is stronger than anything else. Cartel also had this type of influence, because certainly when him break through, him never come like Beanie Man, him never come like a Bounty Killer Yellow Man, him come do him own thing. Grant?
What you mean? Remember say that after. You understand? After that, remember say, and I like say him forward and just boss Bounty, give him the highlight there. You understand? Bounty boss him, and I like Alkaline where just forward in the game and just do him thing. You understand? Make people say yo, young youths can come do it. Them no need no artist to carry them on a stage, or no artist or no group to carry them. You see me, or in a no camp to carry them. You understand? But after that, Cartel do it. After him and Bounty Killer fall out, yeah, him do what him go do and do things by himself, but not from the get-go though. You see me, cause at the end of the day, him over the whole of them are fall from the same camp. So him start off from this, but after now, things change.
A lot of people mimicked him. So his influence made others think that they had to mimic him. And a lot of artists mimicked him to be able to break through in the industry. But Cartel came in with the permission-based influence. Other artists come in with the same type of influence. I do it my own way. I'm going to make it to the top. So when an artist reach at the top without gimmick, scandal, or copying the dominant archetype, they redefine what works. And so that I go change what labels like, what the audience them look for, and how other artists behave. And that is also influence. If it not come with people, I say, I go do what this a person I do, but I think people resist this type of idea of another type of influence apart from imitation, because it forces them to think deeper. It challenges history and legacy and nostalgia, and it separates legacy from momentum. Easier to say, oh, I'm not saying nobody I copy him. I'm not saying nobody I do what him I do. I'm not hear nobody with film slang them. It's easier to say that rather than to admit that this person's influence changed the rules. So for me, imitation is the loudest form of influence, but it's not the strongest. So your influence doesn't have to be in hairstyle, tattoos, sound, and all of that. It can be in what the culture now accepts as leadership. It can be how you're influencing the next generation of artists to be able to say, I'm gonna do it my way, I'm gonna boss. Just like him do it film way and him boss. That is also influence.
You see me? I just say things that everybody a go bust different ways. You see me?
And
Remember say massacre in the game for a long while. You see me? But him just dead and they run some man. But after Alkaline bust, massacre even bust pan one of the rhythm, I think. How should a champion boy did on the rhythm there? Yeah. I think that him get all ball pan or something like so. You understand? So you see me? Yeah, champion boy, rhythm, that rhythm there. Champion boy, yo, did that rhythm there way. So upon the same rhythm them get hard ball because the rhythm they did hot. You understand? So I saw it go like when Alkaline fouled in a game, like a lot of youths see it and say, yo, Jano, man have to say this, man have to say this. You understand? Me can just forward and just do my music and you know? Cause remember, you know, Alkaline could have fouled in the game scene. Him could have fouled in the game and just alright, put in contact lens, boom. And just get a little one song and then that's it. But the youth have talent. You understand? Cause them say copy this and copy that. But at the end of the day, the youth still make it. You see me, and all of the artists with their own artists are influenced with them say them influenced by artists. Them still don't make it like Alkaline. So it's just a talent. You see me? Because this is the thing, you know. More while we might see things and say, yo, this are the next person. Not because that person they are do it now or go on with that thing. Mean say that person will come do the same thing after influenced by that the person there. Because it take a lot of people can influence one person. It not have to be a specific person. You understand? That and through a person might know show a person the so-called respect what them want or the big up or all of them little thing there. You see me? That no mean say yo, the artist now have him own talent for push him to that level there. You see it? But till this day, them have the same talk. But when you check it, the man them where mimic a man and try to be like the man, for them career not gone away. You understand? It's just that a two talented artists, them are two lyrical artists them. So them try to do that and try to compare. You understand? So more while when me hear them talk, I have to just laugh because rather are two different person them. You see me? Two total different person them. You see me? And them are fought from a different era too. You see it? Because at the end of the day, them kinda over the years kinda put one person for impact a whole genre like say, yo, and him alone I did artists in a dancehall. You have many other artists out there. You understand? Where artists look up to. So it's not just one person. But them paint that narrative there. You know? To make it seem like a one person. But you don't know, you know what thing said. You see me? Alkaline I go just always do him thing. You see me? I just one dancer. You see it, and every day them compare him with Cartel and them look at thing there. So I just two great artists them. I just a talent, you know. I that, you know, because look you now. If Alkaline they put in the eyeball and then flap after that, you know, that conversation would there. May I tell you, it wouldn't there. Because I see enough artists where look up to Cartel and thing and nothing no go on for them. Them not bring it up. You see it? They not bring it up. But true, Alkaline found out successful and I do him thing. And that's why. You see me? Because if Alkaline did us found out and flap, that conversation they wouldn't about. But him successful now, that are the problem. You see me, cause member, you know, member say Cartel found out and him say, yo, when him go prison, them did say them want a new cartel or a different cartel and them get one. So me I say, I don't understand that. Oh, cartel fi say them get a new him or them they want a cartel so them get one. You understand? Me I say yo that weird cause oh you mean them get a cartel. Alkaline cartel a cartel. You see me? But I guess cartel see the talent in the youth and I try use a ego thing for say yo that person they are him. You see me? Which is just talent to me. You understand? It's just that the two artists them talented. You see me? And them have two of them have the biggest set of fan base in a dancehall. You see me? Gaza and Vendetta. So when me the hear Alkaline say yo, cause you don't know academics say yo, hear me remind of you. So me I say remind of you. But Alkaline act like cartel. Me not understand that. You see me? Yes, a two artists were talented. No mean say I want and I like say cartel create talent when it comes to music. You understand? Mean by him are the first man, the first talented artist we ever bought. We debut like when we are talking about talent. And not him first, but cartel talented. You see me? So you might see somebody forward and it remind you of one person. No actually mean say yo, the two person are the same because anybody can tell her right now. Cartel and Alkaline is not the same. It's totally two different man. Cartel, we did it. He post up everything. They on the media, everything. Alkaline is not like that. You see me? Alkaline a more private life person. You see it? Private life person that. You see me? It's just that a two talented artists here that come off as say, yo, this a money or this and because if Alkaline they just fall off and never have no talent, we wouldn't have that talk here. But through the youth, successful, you know, because the two man them move different. Yeah, the two man them move different. You see me? So but if I saw them want to say it shows Alkaline great. Yeah, because Carter is a great artist. So if them a compare a youth when I game for 13 years with a man when I game for more than 2 decades, it's a good look. It shows that the youth are go on with that thing. You understand? But a two different person. So when me say Cartel say yo, the people them did want a next cartel or want a cartel, them get one. Say what? Alkaline next cartel? No brother. Two different one that if him the same son them now. You understand? Him have him real son them. You see me? So on a Alkaline that fam. On a Alkaline that. It's because the culture kind of put dancehall around one person, so it might assume as that, which we have Movado, we have Idone, we have a lot of other artists out there where them young youth look up to them as well. You see me? But them only, come on if you notice people, you have Movado. Remember say Movado impact dancehall with melody, you know. Like the melody singing, like how Valiant them are singing and them little thing, right? But we never hear nobody say, yo, you know, say Movado make them young youth sing, J. We never hear them say that. You see me? And there's more other artists. Remember say I don't want a lyrical too, you know. You see me? Enough other lyrical artists out there. You see me? Enough other lyrical artists. So back in the days, so them youth see them youth see him like when Alkaline found the man say, yo, I watch Mr. Lex. Mr. Lex, him lyrical too, you know. Him have some lyrical. Come and see him DJ already. You see me? So Alkaline did say, yo, when him see Mr. Lex I sing. I don't remember the song when him did I sing. He must say, yo, him want be like this. You see it? So a lot of artists, you see me, that's why Alkaline say I'm inspired by people. You see me? Him never say a specific person. Say by people. Me see a lot of people. Like me now. Me not inspired by one person. You see me? But I look up to everybody, see what everybody I do. You see me? One person can't inspire me. You see it, cause me want to do multiple things. You see me? Multiple talent. You see me? Cause me not watch one person every day. You see it? Me look on different people. You see me? And if you inspire me, see, me not have to come tell me not have to come about you and all of them little things. You see me? Yeah, respect who did it before. You see me? But no means I'm for come about you and say, oh, this, that, this, that. We don't say, oh, we respect everybody already. And that's what the thing said. You see me? But people, you don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.